What do you know? I'm Whit today with an unboxing of the Watchdives WD0006 version 2. It's shiny red. And just like that, all the wraps are removed and we get to see this shiny red watch. Man, look at those indices reflecting the light. This is looking really good. Now, obviously, this is an Aqua Terra homage, but this is done with a VH31, a sweeping quartz movement. So we'll tell you more about that in just a bit here, but let's go over the watch real quick. I'm seeing some pretty nice finishing here. As a matter of fact, this is version 2, and that's what they list the difference with version 2 is that it's got improved finishing. And I never saw version 1, but I can say this looks pretty nice. Love that brushing on the mid case with those polished chamfers, and it goes right to the top of the lugs. And then, of course, that fixed bezel as well. Looking really good. In fact, let's do some measurements before we even go any further so we can know what we're dealing with here. So 38 millimeter case, lug to lug of 45 millimeters, 20 millimeter lug width, and tapers down to 16 at the clasp, and just 10.8 millimeters in thickness. Again, this is a VH31 sweeping quartz, so you're able to keep this watch nice and thin. Looks good. And it weighs 110 grams with all links on the supplied bracelet. Let me get the handset into a better spot so we can see this dial a little better and go over that. So that is a screw down crown, and the knurling is pretty nice on it too. It's nice and easy to rotate here. Of course, you don't have to worry about any kind of winding or anything. Now we can get an awesome look at this dial. Man, I love that handset. And those indices looks very sharp. The floating long triangles, you know, where you can see the chapter ring behind them, that's just got a nice look to it. Very clean. Oh, they got the applied logo at the 12 o'clock spot. And then just down at the bottom, we see 100 meters, 330 feet for water resistance. And so this is a 316L stainless steel case and bracelet. You've got a sapphire crystal, which is domed. And it's got clear anti-reflective coating on it, so you can see my reflections here of the lights, and you can still see through to the dial. Nice. As mentioned, that's a screw-down crown, which is signed with their logo. A sterile screw-down caseback with a sticker that I know you'd love to peel. Oh, just a little bit of circular brushwork to see there. Where my manners didn't go over that clasp before we got into that caseback, but you can see just the signature, the logo of Watchdives on that brushed clasp with polished chamfer there. You've got 5 positions of micro adjust, just a double push button release. And you've got a fully milled scissor, and that top side looks milled as well. And then your bracelet is completely brushed except for the sides, which are polished. Push pins for sizing the bracelet, and standard spring bars. Now, still to come, I'll give you a lume shot. It's got BGW9 luminescence on it. I'll try it on as well, but first let's talk about the movement. This is that Seiko VH31 sweeping quartz movement. It's got about 4 ticks per second. It has about a 2-year battery life. It's a tuning fork type quartz crystal and has a stated accuracy of plus or minus 15 seconds per month. Now, it does have hacking and is a true no-date movement. All right, I'll try it on now, but first today I'm wearing the Spinnaker Spence 300. Just a beautiful diver. This has got great lume on it as well. Check out this video up here if you want to find out more about this watch. Oh, look at that red dial. Man, that's a beauty, huh? There's straight down the barrel. You can see a nice thin presence on it. And again, 38 millimeter in diameter, 45 millimeters lug to lug, and I've got an 8-inch wrist. So this is going to wear great on a lot of people. I will note, though, I have not sized it for me, and I will not have to. This is actually right where I would wear it right now, with all links in. So, and let's see, what is it on the micro adjust? Oh, and it's all the way out. So if you've got a larger than 8-inch wrist, you might not be able to wear this on the bracelet. I mean, this is, I can fit one finger in there. That's about where I'd wear it, but man, if it was a hot summer day, I've got no room to extend this, so just be aware this might be a little bit small for a bracelet. And time for your loom shot. That's looking pretty good. BGW9 across all the indices and all three hands on the handset. So looks like it's a nice even application between all of those mentioned above. And here it is next to the Watchdives WD1972. So you can see it's kind of pretty similar, right? So I think we got some good luminescence on this one. This is the Watchdives WD0006 version 2, an Aqua Terra homage, and this runs about $99 US during the summer sale. It includes the travel case you saw in the unboxing, and it's got a 2-year warranty. You'll find the link to watchdives.com down below in the description. Man, I'm digging this red dial. Sunray Red is the color here. It's not like a real deep dark red, but no matter what red you call it, it looks absolutely beautiful, huh? What do you think? Leave your comments down below. Man, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you got time, here's a couple more videos for you to check out. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time. And money.